Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So in Firefox, as you may well know, if you want to see the processes that are running and how much memory is being used for different components of the browser, like most conventional web browsers, you head to your main menu, more tools, and you click on Task Manager, and here you get a breakdown as mentioned. Now, over and above the Process Manager or the Task Manager, as you may well also know, if we head to our address bar and we type in about :memory, we can get a more in-depth breakdown of the memory usage by clicking on Measure under Memory, Show Memory Reports. And here we've got explicit allocations or explicit memory locations. But the only problem with this is, though it's quite in-depth, as you can see, there's quite a lot going on and it's quite busy. Okay. Now this might be all set to change, and it seems that Mozilla is working to make this a lot easier for you to see how much memory Firefox is using in About Memory, which has just rolled out in the nightly version of Firefox, which is an early preview version. So if we do the same, I head up to my address bar, enter About :memory. And we click on the measure option under Show Memory Reports. We can see things are looking a little bit better because at the top it shows the approximate total memory being used. In this case, 659.59 megabytes, with the process index on the right and explicit memory locations listed below. So this is how it is in this table. And if you click on each of these different sections, it takes you to the relevant section in the explicit memory locations, which I think is handy because it just breaks it down easier for you for your main memory allocations. And I think that's a nice touch, so you get the idea. And if we have a bit of a closer look at the breakdown of the total approximate memory, that 659 is broken up of 164 for main processors, 243 for GPU, and 45 megabytes for extensions, and it just carries on into other components as well. So I think that's a nice touch. And I think this is also something that I don't think most Firefox users would really know about or be interested in. But if this is a feature you have been visiting about memory and is a feature you have been using, I think this is a nice move in the right direction. And I don't see why this wouldn't roll out to stable. I think it is a nice improvement. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.